Abusana penso yama wache ama wo akwaba enne October bosome ne da etwa to kra yidi se onin ba yadwen se Nyankopon one yedi ne ye hya afiase emu adin de eso nkakra bosome a etosu edu enne yegya no kwan kra Adom TV suni na wotwe dwumadi ya no penso so yesim konya ye de bra wote enka Asempa 94.7 FM make can say channel sumame ahaya election headquarters Kokromoti Power. From here in our studios, 355 Fanofa Street, Ewo Kokomlimli. Midin, Eddie Chief Jerry Force and Shannon so. Aka and Nano Edriasa and Son 37 days. Na ye kwa kotwaba. Midi say oya humbuane sa. Ana penso so yesim konya na ye babe din komo afa sikasemo kakra. Ukwade ye twa mu ya no man photo samfo owura Kanu Furiata ekọ mrahye bedwafie kogina article 180 Ghana mamra no eso ede oman si kasem ho ntotoye busumi miensa eda yanim afia eba be wremu no ode koto mrahye bedwafo anim ese obehia 27.4 billion na yede aboman no ho ebra na botaye taye kire ene se yeba beto aba na esan se yennim amanyoku a obedi nkunim nti ehu behia se busumi miensa ewo afefoforo 2021 ni mu no sesika no ena aban foforo se so dada ya no obetena so a wode betwetwa no ho a ansa na march bosome no wode oman sikasem ntutu em che budget ankasa akwa akotudwa anape yesim konya ye ba behwe ye de nkomo no beto fam kura brofo ne de atititi bia bada na pe bebo ye homoden se ye de nkomo no ebeto fam na fe yate niema bi ase 27.4 billion sasika no ye de beye den ebe fa sasika no e de efri he nsunsuafo ben na sasika no ebenya wo man sikasem no ho man sikasem no kra se ka sei ejina sen ahoden no etesen anapei ye ba betwetwe nkomo but ansa na no ma yenko na fei yenko nkotie ensama ura Ken Oforiata e de etu dwane bi meba baba beda mabedafo edi.
Mr. Speaker, for the purposes of the 2021 expenditure in advance of appropriation, we projected the 2021 first quarter total revenue and grants of 13.3 billion, while total expenditures, including the clearance of arrears, is projected at 24 billion. The results in the projected fiscal deficit of 10.7 billion for the period. Mr. Speaker, to support the 2021 budget and liability management, we plan to source funding from the international capital markets. This will comprise the issuance of sovereign bonds of US $3 billion, with the option to increase it to $5 billion should market conditions prove favorable. Out of the amount to be raised, 1.5 billion will be used to support the 2021 budget and 3.5 billion for liability management. Mr. Speaker, we will require an amount of 27.4 billion to carry on the services of government until the expiration of 3 months from the beginning of the 2021 financial year. The total amount is to cover government operations such as compensation of employees, ex gratia awards, interest and amortization, transfer to statutory funds, critical programs and goods and services, and capex allocations of MDAs. Mr. Speaker, the robustness of our macroeconomic fundamentals and the efficacy of government's COVID mitigation measures have been borne out by recent indicators. According to the Bank of Ghana's survey in August 2020, consumer confidence is bouncing back strongly and is currently above pre-COVID-19 lockdown levels. Business confidence has also increased, although below pre-lockdown levels. About 95% of businesses surveyed showed strong optimism, reflecting the improving macroeconomic conditions, stability in the exchange rate, lower input prices, moderation in lending rates, and positive industry prospects. Accordingly, the projected GDP growth rate 2020 reported in July has been revised from 0.9% to 1.9% to reflect these dynamics. As the Bank of Ghana stated, the green shoot of rebound in economic activity are clearly with us. We must be thankful to God for these encouraging developments. This and other assessments provoke a degree of optimism and reveals that the swift, bold, and effective measures implemented by government have been key in quickening the pace of economic recovery. This is the competent leadership we promised under President Akufo-Addo. Indeed, the The President's decisive and compassionate leadership in these challenging times have been internationally acknowledged and has added to our reputation as the Black Star of Africa.
We needed to have an appreciation of how has revenue fared with COVID and how will revenue fare tomorrow without COVID or with COVID. How has growth fared with COVID and how will growth fare? You notice that he avoided even sharing with the Ghanaian people what the true state of the economy is. We needed to have an understanding of the state of the economy. Then we know what Excellency John Dramani Mahama will inherit. It will be a fractured, fragile economy dependent on debt and borrowing. He himself hinted that he will be borrowing through a sovereign bond 3 to 5 billion. It is only this Minister of Finance who celebrates borrowing as if that can generate growth and prosperity. You know that the IMF has dedicated Ghana, our debt to GDP by the IMF latest report is 74.6%. 74.6%. And even into 2021, they project that it will only fall to 74%. That means we're a debt risk distressed country. We'll pay more on interest in servicing debt. Borrowing cannot improve quality of life of Ghanaian, and borrowing cannot be the source of prosperity for the Ghanaian. You notice that his own people didn't cheer him. All is not well. All is not well at all. Dada Gombe said that when you chase a tortoise into a yam mouse and you cannot catch it, that is your shame. There are now a tortoise in a yam mouse. We'll pick them easily, and Excellency John Dramani Mahama will win 2021.
Even though on this occasion, there's a certain sense, at least on my part and on the part of those who worked on this expenditure in advance of appropriation, that we're going to have a new Nana Addo government taking over from the old Nana Addo government, it still will be the case that there might be changes in positions. Ministers will have to go for vetting. Within that period, you really do not expect that those who will be in charge will be able to spend. So I don't think it's a risk we need to worry about so much. But I think broadly, what the minister was saying was that when you have gone through COVID and you have a program to recover, as part of the recovery, you want to now make sure that you return to the normal deficits you were registering before the pandemic. MDAs would have to play their role in that. And let's not forget that it is also a jailable offense under the PFMA to overspend your budget. It's a jailable offense, and so I'm confident that MDAs would listen to the minister's admonition, and that by the time we actually issue the actual 2017-2021 budget in March 2021, we would have contained our expenditures within the revenue that we're able to get.
But you look at 13 billion revenue, 27, again, another huge deficit as well. Q1 already, it gives us a sense of what we should expect for the year.
I think you should focus more on the year-end deficit. As you would recall, in the first year, in the first quarter after an election year, there are some extraordinary expenditures you need to incur. And therefore, in order to get a balanced picture of what's likely to happen in 2021, you need to look at the year-end projections. We are committed. I'm confident we'll be in power. We're committed to respecting the fiscal path that we have defined, because without it, the recovery will be difficult and Ghanaians will pay the price subsequently. So we're committed to ensuring that the fiscal path is respected. And once that happens, the recovery would follow, and Ghana can safely put COVID behind us and return to the kind of progress we were making, exiting the IMF, improving the macro fiscals that we saw before COVID. We would return to those periods.
Well, yama kwa babio Adom TV na otwe dwumadie enti nia ekoso na hyebejafie na ye kokohwe na fei mamenda mabejafo edi Dr. Richmond Kwame Frimpong executive director Financial Literacy Africa oyobi a wabin eba ne sikasema, but personally it's a singular honor because medina chiachepa mitie no on other platforms and who say nadwene mu edo Dr. Frimpong and etimensa nimfaso so and Dr. Edu Owusu Sarkodie oye economist obi a Chad University of Ghana Legon. Dr. Sarkodie de onyo ho dwumadi na wotwi ye ne no a na ehya enti mamen kan say Dr. Sarkodie de oye accredited Adum TV economist. Very from Makaba. Yeah. Mamen sha say mfiri so ya te brofo bebre saying we take away from budget no.
Yo ye tie for any ahefo. Brofo ni nyina ni tie mu ani say ye mra upon constitution no. Ewo act bi a friend of Public Finance Management Act. Na sa act no edwin hu say emre bi a ye ko election no. Enam say yentimi nkyere nipa na say aban a obe take over after election ntino. Ye make space of about 91 days for the ensuing year. Send ye be ya aban kra oba be som no. Provisional or work for space or be put it together in a budget no. And halting government machinery from doing the business of government. Into expenditure in advance of operation act na ma ho kwan say finance minister no on or before November 19 for the Beko Parliament. Na Parliament ajia tuma bobo na ya mano sa akwanya no se na be ya in the time aban no se be de oteso dada no ana se de oba no ye hihye na obe take over no ye nyanje the full real budget of the year no ntumumpa na ya bosika to bi ato ho a ehwe aban no nyuma ene nioma o se aban no edi ho dwuma na otuaka eno ntina finance minister honorable Ken Ofori-Atta abo briche e kan bom e de akọ parliament no na so wohwe de ode abeto dwa no a nintietie mu ane se sika aban ni behia e de edi ne dwuma for saa 3 months and up to March no 2021 no e about 27 billion na almost hwe akonya se almost spend this sika na almost be raise a revenue of about 13 billion enti eno ho abobo na am say minority.
Like I said, you spent 27 billion.
Right.
I raise revenue 13 billion.
Right. I don't pay revenue and grants. And you all can say that's about half of what we are spending. Yes. Well, that has been the economic management history of Ghana and for many countries. A bad day pass over say a budget. Yeah, making provision for deficits. Nan say ampuna maybe a friend of Fiscal Responsibility Act. I no. DBB say ceiling 2 years so say my uncle 5% of GDP and now Fufi Antuata COVID e be twa mu a samra na o say man konkon because then we didn't have any. That's
samra na fie de nya de betima
to me because then by no fault of us expenses be on man critical to be made to save lives and also to even keep the economy running and unti no enyanwa 10 revenue and expenditure pattern no the non alignment and enyanwa say we so tesa particularly when in that time no the government will not be actively running any machinery ebema revenue ababibre enti enya ni kan bebre di and so enya nwa send your budget system no construct no sana almost every now and then no sana tie na me sure say ye koye nim no ye be the details of the expense and maybe the details of the revenue na say adwen bi ho no ma ye be tudwa ama nyina ye bobo ho a ye betim dia tudwa na aboa ye nyina.
Okay. Well, Dr. Sarkodie, we'll take away briefly nothing. One controversial issue, a car. We'll take out one controversial issue, debt, a car. Or many can say a huge debate between the government and the opposition. But after I'll take away, no. What the infoni no send your mind to say I see kasem di jinambe na kasangasa ete what they no so akayon doc.
Okay. Share Utie Finance Minister Nkasa Yemwa. I think he has been very consistent from the manifesto, 2016 manifesto to 2017 budget, 2018 budget, 2019 budget, 2020 budget. Nkasa Yemu no. Edi kan obe paint picture. Say the na omanati biasity and sana mo bedi akonya. Say na enye. Ene enyomo mo yeye a mo free say aboa o man sikasem. Ana obeka COVID said the COVID abisi abedi enya ana oka nyoma government aban RCC ho say this so ano ana post covid osaka ho asem ye obatampa yasem na ohwe Ghana ye wa hohihiem enye Ghana nko a oman bi e wo wiase bia ye nyina enim the coronavirus e dia abedan minim oman bi a wo wiase a obeka se on de ne ho atono e wiase nyina. This is the first time you're experiencing the health crisis and economic crisis. And economic crisis, so this is the first time you're experiencing demand shock and a supply shock. Ni say they all turn on the okoton so ni ska or the okoton. Enti nye Ghana nyina na ye ho akire ewiase nyina. Enti senka last year ana ofre me ni say yenka Ghana ka ho asema. Enka memma mani abrepa Canada den say bosia bone yensusu. But emra e wa hohiahia mu we no economics na so kire yen say wokwa hohiahia mu a bobosia na fa emma o sika sem no mpagya. Na epagya na se ho towa watima kotua wakal. Enti say o ka se obi yare na o ka che ne say kobobosia koto aduro na fato aduane di uwie na ahoya odin a koye adwuma fa kotua obosia e ka na wode no se wonye wabro enti na enoma ekoyie ene sikasem de pija ame GDP growth rate na 3.4%, pija ko average 7%, fiscal deficit aminu abo so na less than 5%, enti na ye can about 10.6 billion, about 11.4 IMF say be 16.4% ya enye ade bia ebi obi ti baabi na o se obi disika ye nyina enim de covid dia abreye enti bosia bo no senye covid dia nka meka sa etia but because of yare no ne how aba enti no o kan na wa hwe ni ye because economic thought, economic history, economic theory nyina kire se oman bia kwa hohihia mu a omo bosia ema ne sikasem ni mpagya ne sikasem ni pagya wi a afi na wakope sika obepe ede atua hoka na IMF na nkasa na nse amafo kotu IMF pa na men kotu IMF enkasa ntia bosia bo ma omo document and that many mama read him out brofo page 12 of their own document about ebibimemu so the mo access ebibimam for sika page 12 was say without additional external financing countries will struggle to strike an appropriate balance between consolidation and growth. Ni nyina ne say wa mpe bosia anso wasene a o man no ebegija o sika se mbegija enti IMF na e kan o enti ye kan Ghana kan ne bosia bo na ya na ahweye kakra abam afiwe mu enti na say doc me to say here the concerns are minority for raising especially on the borrowing ben bisia ben bono no that's the way to go especially because of time. Yes, the timing is very important here and I'm a kasenka afra say na afra me a say that wa afra me da me dwudwa mu me say the can na see call e ma make say the na bosia na see call no ye nto yebo but ahunhia mu na ye nyina nya Ghana nkwa wiase nyina na yakom enti minority asem mo kana no kre yesika ye bosia bo no kwa animu nanso so ede na wo so ye wa close borders hwe ye call March last year ye lock it down aban to Accra Tema Kumasi
na
Kaswa and these are the cities here generating a GDP more than 70%. And so if you lock down these cities, now close to borders, now oil, sika project here $62 per barrel. Today we are doing $42 per barrel. Opesa abane yede. Opesa CG opesa oyede. One lock up close to borders. One lock it down cities here, but ma wo sika 7 no. One lock it down because of yare no. Opesa abane yede. Enti yes, e cannot kwa animu, but yen nyina enim, de enti e cannot kwa animu. Enti me encourage say yenkoso amabosia saa budget de ye kan ho asemi 2021 say nyame ya adom na say obatampa this Ghana care obatampa 100 billion cedis ana aban say odi behiem say MPP renia and this is so renia and this is what they call the big push and here $10 billion o de ba Ghana scam a about 60 billion Ghana cedis omuye nyina e kan the same thing. May you sure say by the end of 2021 na oman no sabe sine tibia na yewom ansa na covid no ba no efiri ho kɔ no ana yebetimi aka no asipi sɛ aban no nte bosiabɔ no so anase onyai
okay
na yempe sika wɔ man mu nti enkosi saa bre no de bosiabɔ de me nkasa ntiasa na wohwɛ sɛ IMF report na nkasa na wohwɛ mu a ɛno na me ready Ghana cry yetiri ye nyame na ha yadom Ghana ye che aman bebree because ye man no GDP ye growth no rate no projection by the same IMF for this year 0.9%.
Yeah.
Minister so ka say ebetimi aye be 2%. Granted say you take IMF figures
0.9.
0.9. I mean ka hwe Ghana 0.9 ye positive o. Just say isika say me ye car still aye koye nim. South Africa ko machi. Nigeria ko machi. Togo ni Benin ni Burkina Faso nkra de omo mbem. South Africa oyesi kura omo wo sika chen Ghana no. Omo di Ghana echi 9 percentage points. Nigeria omo di Ghana echi 5 percentage points by the same IMF na projection. Enti enye se ewomu se atoyida nchama cho ewiase nyina ba Ghana kra no ye de ye chen obi de. Enti enye se as if say I not sometimes media for any certain
point and certain Ghana for ye chen obi de. Is this to say ya boy home modern?
Yes. Make us in a P. Say Ghana ya boy home modern. Nyame adi ehu afofi.
I see.
Nyame aboye. Ye mpa ebo nkremofo na Christopher mpa ya na ye boy nyame atie. Hwe virus yi. How many cases now? Active cases 566. Hwe oman bi de hwe nipa ewu ye millions, thousands. Ghana ewomu say ye nka say obi ehwere ne nkwa de ba ye de no 300. Uko South Africa, ko Nigeria, ko Ethiopia, ko Burkina Faso, ko nkronkro aka. Enti nyame ade ehu afofi ana oman no leadership no so omo ya ade. Omo say edume bi na bi mu kasetia no ma bi ana enkoye but overall no I like the way management Ghana Health Service any Ministry of Health any Ministry of Finance omo ya omo kika omo ho e de no magu akwan mu hwemo omo de boa nipa free water free electricity enye se omo ho atewo omo ho tewo mu na omo de no ma eche ade a ehia hwemo omo de boa adwumayefo enti the overall management Ghana ya boy ho modern eche nkro bebre
okay
ana makase wo de ba yesika sem no so a IMF na projection kire se Ghana ye be ya de ye ne Rwanda de bosso Ghana de 0.9%, Rwanda de about 1.9%. Say the minister say de be 1.9 say ne Rwanda ye pe.
Yeah.
South Africa de achi 9 percentage points. Omu grow negative. Nigeria grow negative 4.3%. Omu di Ghana achi 5 percentage points. Ewiase nyina obi ekɔ nachi. Kroka kra bi na ekɔ manim. Na Ghana nso kronka kra na omu kɔ manim no. Enti media ewomu se ahonyehia na aba. But the real Ghana yes ya boy ho modern and say nose mask ni sanitize Ghana for ya ade pa.
Okay.
But e say no curve no peja enti mebo mesre say yensan hye nose mask ni enye ayi no na yemwa ye ho se de be yare no nsan emedi yenhwam bio. But ya ade ya boy ho modern enti going forward no MPP na be renew NDC na be renew obia state in the manifesto say obebua ama Ghana sikasem no apeja nti yemfa nta yen mpa yen nta obi a de obawe ni bia no yemwa no Ghana fo nyina nya akoma ba ko ne yemwa no na yempeja oman no na yekoye yema amanyosem atitie mu na yaso obi nan se yema ne ntu we ka asema ne aka achia no na nse ya happy ka me sure so obebusa me ho asem na se ya wo de happy no asem bai enti yema me kan si so say atoyida nchema batoye Ghana cry ya ade a chemre bi omu se sikasem no ntoto yie de but aban no bo no homodin nyame adoma afeda yetisimu a with the program MPP NDC omu program omu dia go mu manifesto mu kire se enema be pija so enema pija afi bosia bo no yenso ano.
Okay, Dr. Frimpong, still on modern na Dr. Sarkodie ka say yabo COVID brain mu. I'm giving say what argument especially from the opposition. Say 2016, world crude oil prices crash here. They compare that period to COVID almost so more than boy. Sa comparison it me here.
A bad thing, so bad a comparison. The reason is that we're in a global pandemic.
Okay.
And now, economics, we know, so who's a demand side and the supply side now I affected that. Not just say your control is very limited. You almost don't have any control. And me customer compared to no.
Okay.
But it was also a certain level of crisis. Then so we're a little bit different. Me moving away from data. Yes, Ghana are there in handling the COVID and everything. But still, Miss Mijidi say, our budget construct is so significantly becoming the net here than now. Me breaking it down. Say, kind of budget construct, I just say, ya come home a sikanji say no. Emre bia no ye they are buying a raise in terms of revenue. Any they are buying a spending in terms of expense. Ya two year home for say. Eni say ye enioma ebema expense no enko into non-productive sectors bebre. In the time bia say we put it together an expense. Also obo home den say ebe you are free the problem of debt mo. Well, that is fine. COVID aba yet COVID ase. But we COVID expense no cry free hono mo. 2021 expenditure in advance of appropriation. Say you code details of the expenditure na. Minhu any portion of the expenditure a year COVID in tier and nunti a mad deficit no a beginning from Q1. Nothing much.
Okay.
Well, we can say be 100 billion, but even a numpono a buy or beef or basono and a constructed his entire budget for the year. So if you pay and you may be or expenditure side now, keep it me and baby. But of course, ABA by 91 days no, a buy no a named Obia named your baby take over. But and you may be a honomoa. Obia emfane say wonto maye emfane say 4 years. Oma eye enwotwe. 1 year bia ya fa akoda bia ba ko. Enti 4 years no, say wo pama man koda nwotwe na. De edi kan wan hwe ya wo beyi wo ho afrim. Say na be ya nkoda ne nyina 4 years so 4 years no betimi ya ai ne nkakra. Ananya sa? Yeah. Enti no you show discipline in your own expense. Te say wo papa na ase mame no. Say na be ya nkoda no ebetimi yesu 4 years ne sa na onkobo ka baby because already wo ka. Me share expenditure details now. Still, me doing saying ebetimi bibia fa. Okay,
into doc, yen call expenditure details name. Into for instance, your compensation of employees 7.7 billion.
Into my found come net year. Say sisi kani na 27.4. Yes. Okay. So 7.4 no more. Compensation of employees aketua.
Yeah.
Me assure say aketua na aban appointment government machinery kan ho. And sana public service for ni ade. So come here pa a public service for nkasa na musika nya he. But real detail of sa cost no. Ube hu say aban no wo kwanye bi anka example. Uko all the ministries. Now call all the ministers. Well in excess of 100 and something. I'm hoping, say, ye be dream bibia fa ho say going forward, no say impose or see this ceiling to the number of ministers so. Because say ministries no, any ministers no, any on deputies, any even state agencies are buying no advancing grants in the budget. So we total now, we say be 7.7. Moving from a ho, never interest payments. Who could interest payment?
7 billion.
It is almost the same.
Yeah.
Movie ho, ne amortization. Saying 3.4
billion.
In the amortization, is a utia loan and kasebi. And interest payment say
amortization, you know. You say you didn't command to from Chrim Kakra.
In the advance, my Kobo bank. I said, my Bobo 10 cities. 10 cities, you know, me de koye, But all my catch say interest down with A cities, Metrian and Bosome, Kakran. And to say interest payment, A cities net that's why interest, no, any 8 year.
Okay.
Amortization is a metric, sir, 10 cities, Nankasam, Kobo, a home busia.
Okay.
Enti say me ka interest payment any amortization bo ma just say me take no so bi na ma te ho interest so ho bi. Enti everyone say ni nyina together na friend debt servicing. Just say wo car wo de no. Enti me bo sa na ma mienu ibo mu a. Ubo say ye be say 10.4 billion. Me wa.
Okay. That is a compensation no and
my compensation crash so compensation me dey ato nchen
okay
and I say abine ne public service interest payment
interest payment
any amortization nko ampo no debt servicing even say e ka ho atua emitua meka ho ase eno nko 10.4 billion and I make say make say money me no bom na me de kohwe me de compensation meka ho dia na che say me number 17.7. Remember, say revenue projection I am making for sa expense here 27,000. Just about 13 billion. Yeah. And this me the 17 billion kwa me the best 10 billion kwa tuaka. Now me the 7 billion 7.7 billion tuaka compensation. Now is me twam 13 billion hono. Me sika na ebe raise no. And unti na make say e wo mu say ye hold the Fiscal Responsibility Act ne kakra. But now me expect say abra ye sa expenditure. Sa expense in advance of operation way no anka ye betimi a ye bibia ebema expenditure patterns na call from kakra say even if you don't have control over the interest payment at least the side on goods and services the side on compensation the side because our compensation we no may suspect say political appointments also expenses shishim enti say ye bibi fa sa na man ho anka betimi am expense no so ate kakra say na be by first quarter no deficit projection aye make no enye any han ya de sha finance what did they mention as enti ya boy ho modern
okay
perfect
doc we can say interest payment in there you need control so but use of goods and services for instance and can then you beat me
use of goods and services subsidies grants to other government units sa neoma we nyina even other expenditure
social benefits
obetimi eja social benefits, I had to say social services.
Okay.
And umpono, appendix is why I have to look at the details of that. But and you maybe the use of goods and services, subsidies, grants to other government agencies, and especially compensation of employees. There should have been something that could have been done. I mean, who said anything has changed?
And no, I'm Professor Professor Donfe or University of Ghana. I'm Kasano Kase. And look at the WFM 7.7 billion or say because not or refer to another son who say on the university lecturer
the OJ
on the OJ and so any cry and the can only a pedium into wo kase was sorrow I bet me I be no
Nesra what on say me say the construct so public service ankasa anya he omoje
anya he
enti me sos me gidi say unless it is not the case. But me did say in this expense, the side that is very big power, the political appointees in this size. In Tiahono, not even the public service. Public service, they are here on Omoji. But say, be emphasis say, I'm a co-agency, be advances to agencies, I can't say, you're more grantee. Uber co-agency, no more than almost all the government agencies. One simple agency, no Cornell CEOs, by some years, a CEO and his deputy, maybe your deputies near Benes. Are we saying, say, agency, no, we can't have one CEO running the organization so that we can save some, and even if it means the difference will go to the public service, it should go to the public service. They said the professor and here increasing, so that the productivity on the public service not to will go up and it will increase the revenue side because the public service Nigerian say 10 bia me misi kesha na de may be an menya sika kesia. It is not an encouragement for productivity. It is also increasing revenue generation. No, why incentivize you almost send a lot of revenue to increase the revenue side on this budget. But if you don't see that, that's almost expense no one side. Then benefited the service sector, the public sector that will increase revenue. Maybe say honona mene edi party kakra mene because maybe say it doesn't show a picture say you depart away from a certain correction for deficit.
Okay. Doc, me that's it. Because I got the want to share expenditure amount no me nim senia no. I mean senia
Dr. Report me kind of the same thing. I think his recommendation is a long-term solution. Okay. And Mr. Maka said fine. In fact, NDC manifesto me read idea almost idea MPP come manifesto no the same thing. But idea done so in the NDC manifesto in the efficiency. So mu boho say they will make sure say wastage in the system say be a buy juma for it will say be a sika 100 and number use bo hono mu use be a 180. Efficiency is a major concern for everybody, and we have been talking about it for years. You can't want some sir. And to me, sure say yeah, you know, boy, Brian, the same to the efficiency. The you can't. Okay, first quarter figures here. I won't say a first quarter, first 3 months, you know. And the compensation for employees. So say I buy a becase on tia my fork and I'll bet you so. Maybe it will be economically suicidal and politically suicidal. Yeah, research be.
But remember, I can't say I buy a my fork.
No, Dr. Frimpong can.
But efficiency, I mean, his main issue is about efficiency, and I agree with him. Yeah, research be about buying a my fork. You will say on the average, public sector premium is higher than the private sector premium. On the average, I buy you my 4G sika chain, omo ye ankranko juma for. Until when he's talking about downsizing the public wage now, it's all a year research a year and the recommendations a year. It is something that must be implemented. But yes, who say COVID imuno and nyoma are different. Okay, goods and services. Okay, budget now, it was over concentrated on recurrent expenditure. This first quarter budget.
Okay.
And I'm not surprised. Because a transition period as from January to March. A buying can say Sabreno, ye near Bray, Joba renew, and this in a bay renew. So an MPB crowd renew and obey Kakra because on the Odikawa bam.
Yeah.
And I don't know, Dr. Frimpong, Obesa, so Omobasa conversion.
Everything will begin.
Yes. Okay,
just that the government will be speedy because on him Crawford
and appointment committee or converting we are on the deputies. And some Ghana so yenim CEOs nyina government appointees. Cocoa board, Kotor, call GMPC, call Energy Commission. Omu nyina. Enti say NDC renew obe change omu nyina. Ye nyina ye ni weti Ghana ye ni. Enti ebedi mre. Enya saa mre bosome miensa we na obi beka say yenkoye kwan ana yenkosi school dan ana yenkosi hospital. Saa agenda 111 no. Me sure say first 3 months no mbesha so mo we nia nti it's understandable say first 3 months no more of recurrent expenditure expenditure sika ye twetwa ye ho enne ya ne no kine ye etua adwumayefo sika na obi akotua interest and most of them are statutory untimi
statutory ni say
mrashaw say compensation employees crazy statutory dabe na ban bit ma kase onju adwuma for ka ontimi nkasa asem no interest wakwaje bosia de ntia ya ma ye bosia no sometimes ye ka ho asem no say enti say first na ye call hepeki no say no omo ye ko bo bosia free omo ho no ankrankrafo omo do mo mfom sika nche ana utua eduru ho na akotua interest na utua ne boom sika no so na akotua na utua ne boom e fa ne bullet payment enti no so untimi nkoka se untua afa goods and services e hodi obetime twitwa so kakra enti mini nya na ya adwene se goods and services no se nye nyoma bia ehia pa anka yentwitwa so kakra afa no atiasi the transfer to government units.
Yes. Grants to other government units, the 4.3 billion.
Yes. And then statutory. And also mrashe minister say on fanko. Ontimi nka say onko. Yes, our constitution in bedi. Because enema be na ye can district assembly common fund. Ye can road fund. Ye can get fund. Ye can NHIL.
Yes.
Mrashe no. So on fanko. Ontimi nka say onye. And the idea obetimi aka say
and ontimi so nka say wateso.
Esotie no there. I think yes. There's a certain percentage of revenue.
I didn't know to me.
There's a certain percentage. Say this is assembly common fund. I said 15 or 12 something. A certain percentage. Percentage, you know, untimate so. This is how they are coming. I should be doing. I'm ya jump adjatum say yente so ntina meka say me nua no recommendation ya asema ye nyina ye de ano atuma ka bi a long term solution say yen change the structure of our economy, the structure of our financial position ade a ha ye nyina enti enye ne how how a da ho before COVID eni esa ne yetina ana enti ye hwe say in the coming years 2021 2022 na say yare kodia we amfiri yeso dia ene ye betina ha kam amade a chekura enya dia bibia besesa because yare dia e de how na aba nti empire na yebo say by maybe June 2021 nanka yare ye free yeso dia nanka wiase nyina atiesi yeda dem say ye ka bibi de say international trade say wo koko kra na akoton a hwan na ebeto koko hwan o man be na no ho ato na obeto gold akoye komade agu ni kom nti ohun say minister ka say yes export crack from ana import so close to border hwan akofa say kwa ye bie border no but o man akofa enema free on close ni dia okofa free hin nti ama bibia aka besi say ye mo ye modern as Ghana for ya ye bi but enema na adwuma no so enema wo say ye no de bebre nti sikasem no yes me sure say Russian and so on but efficiency na menu an kind there is a major concern. Amount for bebre akase tia even the number of ministerial appointments. Say doors no do one. Motorcade. Yeah, home be convoy. No,
agencies, the government agencies, working appointments, minister, not even deputy ministers, CEOs, executive directors. I mean, we should be able to do something. And me burden me say, me jitum say, minia say a long-term solution. But we must start from somewhere. Say nyanya me and a boy who for fidi and one for COVID time here. Anka enye easy my crowd because lockdown e buy na so him say extended lockdown no pass enka ye no be even 2 months and not 3 months. The whole economy would have shut down. So can finance minister FT publication. You could see the pain, the fear in the voice and in the minds of his thoughts. Say idea is to us say to me. And it's any opportunity. No, we should start from somewhere. And I thought that the first quarter was going to be a good example for takeoff. Now so it's almost like the same kind of template, you know, any idea to that. And it doesn't amuse me at all. It's a bit enya idea.
But minister say COVID that's so. Enti ye betimi aye home bibia me madwene mu no ye ma COVID ni ntwam.
Okay, but Dr. Frimpong, me say in 2016 Ora Sektepe requested for 10 billion. And then in 4 years down the line, 27 billion. Unusual.
Oh, unusual. I mean, even the needs and the times. Sad time no na any global pandemic issues.
Okay.
And now so no sad time no na even look at the forex changes, any even the inflation levels, any the value of the funds that are inquired. In terms of situation it is different. Even say over 10 billion cry now the total for 4 years. I'm sure it will not be the same 10 billion. Enye so much of a big deal. But it is about the construct. So over 10 billion, no, not revenue expectations you're saying. Not details of expense you're saying. Over when so is it the same or it is not the same? And no idea. Maybe say maybe or say ye timi two sana mono. Whether it's a new government or it's an old government. And no me who say yes started. Now the COVID crowd bed any asem able you BBI say any COVID. BBI say any COVID. In the advance here trap will be to photobia to say just as an example. Say NBSSICK. I dey ma enyumaku no ma revitalizing. O question now baby sound say remember say to be captured in our expense.
Yes.
But have we tagged a revenue to SICK spending say yeah they share specific productive sectors you expected this kind of revenue triangular feed from SICK edition. Who share that who be asa to the extent in say Martin say President Mahama Mpoka say Oba or the SICK
yeah.
Immediately it throws the economic quality of the loans out of nowhere because then there's now pressure.
What did you say?
There's now pressure. There's now pressure on the current government to probably and immediately it burdens our expense ticket now. And one thing I make us say, in the size can the coin have we been able to trace say they share 20% of the economy and I say so and so percent of the economy, and this is what it is bringing and it is showing in our revenue. Maybe I say anyhow. And this how corner no because I'm the better. It should tell you say our mind is so fixated on the construct. Say abre biane ye pre deficit, just that ye better deficit so. And I'm saying say maybe we should depart from that. This budget construct expenditure in advance of operation, I don't see it. I don't see that. Your COVID into you best spend way, and we are not aligning or rationalizing our expense. Difficult.
Because I say
me fa kakra nka me gidi say ye kasa na yetintin because your revenue no sika na yenya no so. Sanka sika na yenya no dooso a.
Any problem.
Enka ye kasa no enya tintin. Enti going forward from 2021-2022 going no. Me stress say sika na yenya no ye man mu say kra de enu ho na yabobosia ma ye ntimi nkobobosia bebre sa bio ana mo anso abrofo no de beboaye no eso ati they say averagely just about 1 billion pe no mo de beboaye enti sika na yempe o mam titiriu natural resources maka mesa ka bio ye gold ye manganese ye hwan ye agudi anyamede a cheye no oil gas sika ye nya free ho no so kra and no so kra companies ni nyina ya abrofo companies omoji sika na munya mfaso boom sika na ntina ha na eko esa na intimi ntina ha enfuel economy no nti da bia wonsi ye to go no the man ye hinso se ma sa kotutu ego ekoko agu fom ma se ya sase ya se ye nsuo afa sika nso so omode ma aban e de boa ye ma ye di hwe ye ho so a kakra bi averagely 10% of our total revenue. Nigeria, Botswana, Equatorial Guinea Bissau, omunyina dia 40, 50, 60%. Okobo Ghana dia 10%. Into going forward no there. I was saying here NDC manifesto omaka, MPP manifesto so omaka. Into a good year there. The next coming years e ho na ye nyina dia ni behwe oil, gas, gold, manganese that one dey two or man mu nyina e ho na ye nyina dia na kire. And ye nyina be support aban bi oba we ni say ye mmoho ye na ye pesika dodo na free say agudie no.
Dr. Fempon, wo share budget ni mu a e ka oman ni di nyina no finance minister o capture and I do one ma one capture.
We no dey menya sure so o show e ka di nyina in this particular one.
Okay.
Me hu ye there. But it is still getting worse.
But our Bank of Ghana report.
And it is still going to get worse. A hona nkofo bi say yakọ HIPIC, and you call HIPIC anyway. But HIPIC na a program and a symptom. So Obekaya Dr. Baumia at a point in book I say Ghana is not HIPIC, but Ghana is HIMIC. It is not. It didn't mean say yakọ program, but it just meant say our debt to GDP ratio. It is getting worse and worse. Now say chireni say who sika 1 cedi. Ubosi an wakobo na ebi e 70 pesos. And who interest near there into Busumi Biano, Usika, Yetuawa, almost Nina and Adituaka. Zakobasa, your free baby fiscal space. Unya Quenya Yesica, or the be disposing, or the Bayanioma. Okay. And Nuntina then be out here budget more. Ubon say capital expenditure, to say we employ here. Capital expenditure is just 1.9 billion. Capital expenditure input to new money at the IAM. They're almost like a percentage. Enti, and no say your debt to GDP is significant. Enti, a cano, a cost no. Now, I just say you crowded out your ability to spend on expenditure on capital infrastructure and other things that you have to do. And untina a difficult. Now, again, say there should be a timer. You take a decision bold, and even this COVID time, a very good opportunity. Say all the effort are binding into digitizing our informal sector. Send a bear impossible resist a car. Locally, you bet me raising a sika kesi chance ebe kwa kobo sia fama. E no kra queen because our euro bonds and a sika e koji from man no. Eye foreign exchange denominated no. And who ka too much. And minimum. I saw many near deji. Enti say to me, use this COVID time rather than to help us formalize and rationalize our revenue systems. Obia and crown crabia to meet you crime fa hone how much. You know, say revenue side is so much, and yes, I will buck at 27 billion. Now, say the 28 billion, but one of casa. And it's a Ghana incorporated. Yama was cut 27 billion. We say 27 billion. You see, can they buy 13 billion? Into all plans, all be boka. Into project and it's all be reduced. company benefit me with that kind of structure. And I'm saying, say, until as a country we depart from that COVID or no COVID, now rather than to say in the future, no, we will not go anywhere.
Okay, but you about expenditure, but budget, the finance minister, the two just say, are making significant macro fiscal gains. So they paid 12 billion in excess energy capacity charges. More inherited in 2017. I think also settled substantial part of the 11 billion outstanding arrears bequeathed to this government. I think Oma abolished 17 unproductive taxes. Abolish 17 unproductive taxes to boost productivity of the private sector. And I think so they've spent 21.6 billion Ghana cedis to clean up a collapsing financial sector and protected 4.6 million depositors and 81,700 investors. Doc, so we share macro fiscal gains here. Now what they compare how the economy is doing now. Who is saying, Doc?
How the economy is doing now?
Now.
No, there's no COVID that may say you be out. Okay. So, mechanic say, a buying ye to abamawa, ube dia dia. Japadia na ube diso no. A council ube diso. A debia ube dibia, say, Busia penny, unia, dear, be a busy idea. Ejapadia or honor Yaodia, a council or Honso Yaodia. Until MPP Aban winning election in 2016, a Canada Hoyo Mudia. A Japadia and the woman or Mudia. It is so much ya, ne Kwanswana. Okay. So muchia na o mama o mana konanim. Na Osha yes na enyoma improve and sana COVID ebe say. Until sa energy sector, for example, there was a contract and a take or pay. Just a generator the amount. Also one so obetia. Adia ede cabre or may. And people for say, okay, say maybe so negotiate the contract near year. Yes, and I'm a crime to make I say, oh yeah, one should one factory. Until why do you want to renegotiate? Why don't you maybe hold on? Now when you sue the excess to finance your your industrialization policy. Until financial sector cleanup exercise. And also they come for some you can't have political. Now after who to the basic accounts in and no man dear or my idea so much teacher cano and yes I hear no say a binding yes say and no man see cow boss winning uncle bought the same a kind ho. Many nuances be as a beer or more intimate and this area, almost one because you buy a cadaho. A idea, I say, a idea Ghana, a womb. You quay any money a beach, your Friday and Sunday, Webers, Wejaka, Webers, Wajakanti, and consider Benny, who I buy me say, okay, then bet 2 years, a year, until May twaso, or be about Wejamica. Until what year, until young share, not on also are more a canopy. I'm pro can be ho ama aban nti ne canon there na I can't kwesi ho but I don't know sir this is the time you be can hipikini ne sika e kana ya bɔ no ho asɛm kakra
ye be twa ye ho aba ye ba na afei ya hwɛ sa 27.4 billion ya kan wasɛm sa sika no hefa ene ba wa free and then we also examine some of the economic policies are NDC ni MPP for one more aye any susu aso a ebenya e wo man sikasem so na wo twi dwumadi eso eni ma mentwa me ho sima emra me ba ye beto aso Well, yama kwa baby Adum TV so ni na wotwe dwumade ene eguso ayede ebre wo ene nkomo no ayede pa even of air ye to ankomo twetwe ne so a me Dr. Richmond Frimpong na fe Dr. Edu Owusu sa akode ena no pay yesi nkunya yede nkomo yede ebre ye hwe the budget for the first quarter of 2021 na fe ehun ensunsuanso ehun komo na ye twetwe Dr. Frimpong mame embra wo so na yenhwe ye wo classroom nti wo bebo an kakra ye ka capital expenditure dey important.
Capital expenditure in Puntunyuma akwan hospital asipiti ne enoma tete sa oman no mpuntu ogina so so enti ukọ the enti etimi ka se oman be a developed economy so won ko hwe o economic books mu kra ura oman no to say develop
okay
so ukọ oman bi so na nye developed un ko hwe o economic data kra ura ma to say oman yakore ni mana me bo sa aniyoma na ohu a etimi ma production etimi ma economic activity ekoso man yoma ye easy na afa etimi ma production konos nanima etimi ma etimi nya a lot of revenues and any capital infrastructure sometimes emre bi ohono ma oye capital infrastructure ya emfasi camera wani manimu ya the same van say bi a ekwan ayeye na obeche bi anase second it will not immediately bring us money says sika bi a revenue bi e kind revenue figures not necessarily
okay
it may even take time and sometimes you have to be deliberate say the ME no may target revenue to it deliberately. In the advance, may major roads and major highways, ABR in these particular places. I was saying, me tena say me spend this as ikawea. Na me koji says ikane back through the mass spending on no. Now we DHR, we disikanechi. Now you don't just put money in capital infrastructure and go to sleep. Another side, so they say you must define capital infrastructure in two ways: soft and hard. Soft on the Enyoma ABR, but it is going to be the software of the economy. TBB to say, free SHS, it's categorized as goods and services, I think. But free SHS say no.
It should not be classified as goods and
services. Or see who say capital infrastructure, just that it is soft. Because Ghana and Timin Kobe BR, if its knowledge capacity, and I say Nimdia ni power no a certain level. Because economy BR, Singapore economy BR may develop BR into first world. You can tell the literacy rates. It is a great capital investment, but unfortunately, they are narrating it differently. And I'm saying, say, and for so bad, I also say why capital infrastructure be a choir as a hospital. Now we need doctors, we need the also specialists, also so the soft and the hard side. Unfortunately, we are failing on both the soft and the hard.
No, but my same bisa on capital expenditure and Dr. Asakode also Obemame, your thoughts. It looks like Debiano, that bit capital expenditure on our budget, no, EWFM, Adintia.
And let me just say though that NDC mom were a bit ahead in capital the allocation for capital expenditure at the other two and NPP1. And I think that maybe it's also because NPP so are concentrating a lot more on the soft side. So overhead digitization agenda, I think it's a big capital investment. I don't know say yetimi e capture na digitize and nyoma nyina say Ghana card say digital address ni sane mana and my economy ni running very fast because a dine ni suku a dine car kwan nkwanye enough and then free SHS na ade ni sane mana mo ye no but ube come na kosi nyina no dede ni nyina ni chi ni say yentimi allocate more for capital expenditure because sika ne nso e bia ne say ya ka say 27 billion e de 13 billion na eba ube da che into come and see how can I say the isika raise and nunti na say so want to me raise more the crown I was spending on align it rationalize it now fe ube to me ye bibi fa look at how we are campaigning efficiently in the midst of COVID. Politicians are campaigning efficiently, reaching every voter, reaching every nook and cranny in the country with resource, with their party machinery. Are we saying that you increase your revenue? You need to mean for that same ideas, that same effort, that same energy, and back a driving activity. Give it to me. And it's a decision we have to make as a country. The same way we put energy behind politicking, we can put the same energy behind raising revenues.
Okay.
So capital expenditure. Now hard one on Kwadia. NDC spending more than MPP. But the soft no can MPP spending more than NDC.
Okay, they were here hard, no, they were here
hard. Yeah, quite hard. The other one, see hospital a ohu so the behind this can almost say University of Ghana Medical Center on rage
yes
ukwa akɔhɛ we near see fili but what the soft no ebe ka ho do say human capital
okay
health any education we free SHS here amount for bi mu akasɛte here but NDC for crowd almost o man gasɛ ntia de metimi nka ha omo manifesto mu kro mo de ahyem sɛ ombe crowd private for back ho chese Ghana ha nipa 15 pen na wie secondary school ni tertiary 15% we nya ade edi bu oman enti sa soft part no wo ye kwamenu ye kasa wo ye kwan kra na se driver no bia onim ehu nim dia o akonya accident ase kwan no wo si hospital ubunso obi de car ko bom no ase no enti you need anim dia no hia nim dia no se ye de be dane physical na ya to ho na de odi wani ho no ye hia nimdie na ye de ani ho na aye adwuma nti ukofa free SHS no na akofa digitization expenditure e ka bomu a more than the NDC spending on capital expenditure yes nti yes ye hia investment infrastructure physical na friend infrastructure na amount for the biomo kan ye hia hwe Accra to Kumasi me no waka ho asem da
yeah
single lane maybe me fa anyone from Lagos me fa anyone am kofa achimota yi na me be fa buy me nam so na me say I imagine say anyone we way to Kumasi o drive from Casablanca to Rabat 3 lanes 633 etuamu sa street light in Johannesburg Pretoria etuamu sa Nairobi Mombasa etuamu sa oba Ghana afena opesa waniu nti sa infrastructure development ndie Ghana e was say more than the ye say be the say Accra Kumasi sika ye be nya free say timi bie sa kwan we mu a any speed ya ye be kɔ say bia say obetima use be 6-7 hours not that the traffic ayi hankwa amasa my hankwa traffic udu Kumasi so a tano so
Kumasi kwa traffic a demand sana wa obeka say watutuma wa traffic hu no
ai ube free tech is also wura Kumasi montirim so a woko sunyane dia tano so be delay wo sa enti ube di bia 10 hours but say kwan ne demu a e bia half of the hours ya be hia no 5 hours wako sunyane waba wako nyoma ekoba nti sa nyoma na ekona nim nyina na ma oman ne nyini masikasem no kwa anim enti ohwe railway uko Morocco heya omo railway line eye kama omo housing say Ghana ha yeti he say be say bi onipa dodo na ni baby papati enye anika ensuo ne nkane an ya boy homodi mo ensuo ne nkane ade Ghana ya ade ya do so na ha ya ba say re de eno ma ne nyina ya so anu nti eno de ya ade nti bi housing school adan mi say double track but me sure say enye permanent solution yesi school adan hospital no see no ana me nua ka say obesi hospital no enye enough o so wunya doctor for the nurse for ekogum any even enioma a wodi be ye logistics no ne nyina ye de begum na wahun say ebi mu so cassette ya goods and service na me ne madam for be ye research we hu say even what we call infrastructure development no say ya ye repair goods and services enti so the goods and services no kra so no be capital no ho a e be kosoro ya for example ebia wasi dan edan no adi bia 10 years yesi enko penti ukofa penti say onko to penti me penti a enko ka infrastructure no ho bio sika no be ko goods and services and so infrastructure na na maintain you enti ama eno the debate no akwa de kan kwesi ni say ye ntimi enko yanim without capital expenditure, both the physical and the soft. Digitization, yes, me can ye. Call and call passport office. When you budget keke, call DVLA. When you budget keke, ease of doing business. Sagana, you see, ye the home bought a man on for home. A good DNA, you see, ye very competitive. Ease of doing business. Say, by ya, we be so best setting a business company or Ghana ha. And you ma be na yeshe. Oko register general first no. O just say forms be say 5. O be fill away, no no na sa on sa be ka form so kra ki wa obedi so ansa na ofili wi a akọ submit
yeah
say no omo so mo copy palace enti bi a betima tena fie kra computer so pra wa fill o forms o do tin aka ho ya ma o permit o port o yi first na paper o be fill form sa na akọ submit form so so ho fifire na she brown envelope mu ansa na wa bribe obi ene ya see paperless nti sa digital address system Ghana card easy identification say biometric say election ye ko nyina biometric nti ukwaje bosian kra bank awntimi nwane because ya fa fingers anywhere ni nti baby akwakwahye bia ebe chew nti that kind of infrastructure no ane ye de koy anim nti ye hia de nti a enko soro kese se de ye nyina ye kan say isika na ye nyane swa
on that revenue yetie honorable Haruna Idrisu obisai that one thing that he thinks was missing our budget him how has revenue fared at the same pick infonino at the same Dr. Frimpong
revenue there let me say government we know we're born home more than with their revenue targets. Some revenue targets are very ambitious over the period I think from 2017 to 2019
yeah
even though they missed out on their targets until the last one and now COVID by so I was however so where sika raise here so maya in our budget constructor it has always been abysmal very abysmal ideally no our form ideally is our revenue percentage of GDP kebenya kabese 25% and more but you see I'm sure we are just about 14 or 15 and doctor
tax revenue is 13.
You can imagine.
All the revenue will be about
tax
16, 17.
Meanwhile, we should at least
25.
Should have straight to at least 25. You drew enti ya na me kase say ye di see akoma mu na ye trim say ye be ya ye betumi aye because ye de NBSSI loans e buy wonim nipa dodo a informal sector dodo a apply over 800,000 people aka ne no na bia nka ye ni data bi on through that solution over 800,000 people na apply so that data na yenya e de na de government can put together a system ebema obi ani agimpo so be register. Now remember, say yeah, sometimes informal sector and you see capen on here. And to say we 800,000, we just about 200,000 billion say I'm on baby. So 500,000 is 600,000 I can near own. There are millions and millions of those people we don't have any data on them. And my question is say ye percent ye to increase capital expense. Na mpo ye nkan expenditure ho asem mpo bi ma. So we this kana sika was spending a problem. Now was card any sika was spending a show. The in this continue any ambre say yes spend you. Now was card any problem. Until see attention should go on how to raise so much. But in the meantime, you need to raise so much there. Make sure say you cut down and also you struggle with. Until to increase our revenues, let's speed up digitization. Man, just simple. Both the formal and informal sector, MSMEs, you speed up registration. So that you bet me nya obia ho kakra ama sa revenue side na akonanim enya sa dia between 25 and 16 our debt to GDP will swallow us up.
Yeah, 27.4 billion esika super hefa na yakwakofa sa sika yi e free from where you sit doc
ebi ye sika ebi nya free abi nso ya bosiambo
ba ko bobisia
emu 13 billion sika ye be nya free here they aka nyina eba bosia so budget deficit no say in fact say the difference between expenditure and revenue we been say ya expenditure na was revenue never form no the dem finfini no budget deficit budget deficit bia afi bia run deficit ya also obo ho bosia and e fa financing no financing your foreign financing and your domestic financing. I mean, can we answer na me refi? Sinking fund na ye de oil sika kugum na aboa ye papa. And can you sinking fund na?
Setekwe.
Yeah. Oh, omo ya de stabilization fund, heritage fund, sinking fund. And this is for no there. You teach them more.
It was one of the best decisions.
Omo ya de sen can ye enye.
Okay, but for obi a oshen onim sinking fund no. Fund be.
Fund go ya yetu no. Ehun sika ye nya no. Ane ya poni bi ya bofotuo bi aban na bofotuo bi se afi bia na yempone kakra emfa nkosie
nkosie box nim
na ye de be dey civilization fund no e be budgetary support say your budget na say BBC na je won nsem a na akọ stabilization fund no akọ won sa akọ bom kakra na wayi there's a cap how they stabilize there's a cap there's a wonni nko nti na cap no 300 ana covid buy no aban call parliament as dem ko change law no e ma e ba 100 nti no ne sabeti mi abo $200 million ana dey sinking fund no eno ye di tuaka bosia na ya bo no say oil no ye de kakra kogum afi bia no ye kogum wia na ahwem ye nya sei na ye asesa ni nyina re de akotua eka no bi na make say
sinking na chese bibi mene wo indi say wo kan mene wo no sinking fund no boa wo eyi free mene no
yeah nti kan ye sinking fund na anka budget 3 months nke we bosia 32 billion cedis yes but sinking fund no provided 22 billion ti aka 10.6 until 10.6 no eno de bosia bono so no emu mienu
sinking fund no cap be that so
oh me sure say cap that so a stabilization fund na cap that so
is that prudent enough because since ana ban bi ba na ka say okay person me de misako bom na sika ewum ni nyina
purpose no purpose ade botaye de ti ye no nchi aban bi na de nsabo man untimi nkanse o de nsabo mu kodi untimi nkodi o
okay the cap etimi boa ye ma yenko twem no any fiscal responsibility
yeah
is no no it abo ho ban ma ho ntra deficit ni bebre but you see a covid na
because budget deficit no eno na abebo ho bosia afi bia na abaye Ghana ka public debt no nti afi bia budget deficit no wabo ano wakobo bosia de ashem next year next 5 years next 10 years nti be hu say ni nyina abo ano na ye Ghana ka na gina wanim tententen nti sinking fund no abo ye say de be yen sinking say minu aka ye na abo ye amia ye nti enye no dia anka ibe bosia 22 billion but eno no 32 sorry eno abre 22 nti aka 10 point something ana ebo ye amia ye nti ubisa ya eno an answer straight answer okay. Revenue ene bosia bo sinking fund so abo ye na bosia bo no me can say ye bo be free amanane ye bo be free krom ha treasury bill ye to any government bonds ni nyina bosia na ye me kra ma to bi so ato bi dia and ato bi dia obi ato treasury bibia abo aban na bosia na hono no enso ho asem ye nka ho asem kakra se uka domestic finance ye bosia na wo bo no man mu no your home positive your home negative positive nature say exchange rate effect bia ni so ana negative nature say so wo ni bebre nsusu a
crowd out
ankrankre enya sika wo hwe Ghana ha Ghana adwumayefo nyina ye 11.2 million aban die wo mu enu 1 million po 6.8%. The remaining 92 point something percent nyina ya ankrankre Adum TV ya ankrankre Joy ya ankrankre MTN mu nyina ya ankrankre enti ye ka se ye pomo mo be adwuma ba o man mu a enya aban kra ya ankrankre enti aban no ntimi nkobo bosia bebre wa bra ankrankre no menu mi de be se ye company a ye bia kenkia ye be call bank say ye call bosia ne bank for be ka che say CJ ne sa akwadie abaya ba sika enti no crowding out no external financing no so the exchange rate won se gina wanim ten because city no ahode na gia obo se o mo obosia o na so na ka ne ko me fa nya example o ko obosia $100 here na exchange rate ni ye 5 500 cedis so exchange rate no ko 6 ya the same $100 no amount 600 cedis Ghana your research be Ghana from 2006 to 2019 exchange rate no ko the 61 billion cedis anaka Ghana ka no ho yankwaji free baby
exchange rate no
yes in 14 years exchange rate no ko the 61 billion Ghana cedis what 61 billion President Mahama big push and then the same as 60 billion no
the $10 billion
yes and one the a car exchange rate no the abreye no in 14 years wow. Until what we see our amonania and so hunsu no and so you must always get the balance the mix now mix no just say media ideal situation is say in Kenya 60-40 60 domestic 40 foreign because of the exchange rate effect no now Ghana say me no ka say 51-49 51 ɛyɛ amanone bosia ye bofra amanone ana 49 every aha domestic na ya na manfo ka bosia boro mo to America mame nka asem kakra bi mfa America bosia ne Ghana bosia America bosia mo bo no over 80% ɛyɛ mo domestic borrowing because dollar no ɛyɛ mo sika over 80% is in their domestic currency because dollar no ɛyɛ America mo sika yes into domestic Ghana dollar no yɛ foreign and you borrow 51.4%. Nti exchange rate ni je ne ho pe na ye kana kwa animu. Na wo hwe debt service e ka no se de otimi ukutuitu awoka amortization ni interest na. E how I dey break Ghana no. Se si ameno ka say e 62% nti of our revenue. Nti sika revenue 100 ye binya ye di mu 62 ekotua interest e ka no hu si ho na e ka na ankasa bi for the year. Ubisa America for 10%. Nti ukoka America for debt to GDP ratio over 100. Now they are 70 until they are better than Omua. Omuno, the burden on their revenue is 10%. The burden on our revenue is 62%. Nti hono there ye ka ye nya de a enya de papa but COVID dey ye mo kakra na ye ko animu dia so man no gina na so dia ebosia bo enya ade a ye be entertain ye be tu aban fo se onkoso a na obi oba we ni election bia no on fashion na ye ka budget yi March and ye de substantive budget beba NDC MPP CPP the oba we ni bia independent ekradonko the oba we ni bia no March mu and odi ni main budget on say usually since 1992 maybe even beyond. Party be a very election biano or draw or the budget in free manifesto. The anoma or car or the manifesto so by no, and no then the budget to Hawaii. And send this we near a manifesto no, only better to home, big push. I'm sure said only first in a big feature. MPP so we near and said Ghana cares any 100 billion cedis no more kind digitization in your monkey kind accelerated growth. Ni na honom ne ba nti budget kase ne de nti first budget we dey my nhwe ani mu say ade titiro bi eba first 3 months na emum in March joba we ni bia na ode ne budget kase ebeba March 2021 eho ana ebeba betra se bio na interrogate ni ahwe ade kra nipa kro de ahwe budget no opese ode boa Ghana for na yin na yebeka ho asem.
Okay, Dr. Frimpong, we share the budget here and say kind 27.4 billion. Now we share promises are NDC and MPP. One more aye in their various manifestos. Dr. Bobby so the big push, Ghana case, and this and my name. Effect being so being and these are I mean financially serious heavy promises and both political parties were more making. But moving into 2021, depending on party obedin kunimu from where you sit nsusuafo ben na sa sikaya ye de ehye afe no ase the first quarter no ebenya ewo economic policies here and the senior MPP for make
the same construct make a constructor send your dan wa hye na afa wa ase no enye from quarter 1 sa na be ka sika ye de be for uhwe manifestos ni nyina majority of them no the funding of those projects any promises no majority of them are going to come from ECA. The only advice they say ECA say ECA wo boy ya man on ECA no any ECA wo boy ye wan kasa wo fi ECA no so won pese wo bo ever so wo bo 51% dimpo na ya man on ECA na say won pese effect na be kese wo so you can figure it out if you manage your foreign exchange properly because the danger na say the risk exposures are all they can say ukoye euro bond ukoye whatever na say what the bar sika no betua in dollars now $1 no e wo mu say bia sometimes external neoma etimi ma sika no e weak but majority of the effort I be put here ma cedi na strong no ejina also largely so ube reduce we import no increase we export so that the effect of say we boka from abonten anyekese because it doesn't matter what it is as a developing economy there so we boka no dodo we bobusia no dodo na internally through treasury bills na there crowding out effect in account more because said what the community can say ankran no dwumadie no so echen aban no dwumadie no na che say the private sector becomes the engine of growth and e can da bia no enti also to me create space ma private sector let me bobosia abosia no so no ne nsunsun so no enye kese na say wa aban na wo kobosa abosia na o mo compete wo sika kakra wo na che say be dia ma ankran ni so obenya loan dia ko tre na dwumam ekobasa na wa ban no say wa na asa ko pesika wo froba e de be so economy na say enti they also say maybe also bobosia wa bonten na sa abosia wa bonten no na o say wo boss so ahwe because for example 27 billion ya yeke ya nhwe ya ebu be say 5 billion e bosia ya ko wa bonten immediately no where you say 3 but it is expandable to 5 but immediately no what you've exposed yourself to the risk of forex changes and I also struggle in this COVID period enti it said dia the omo person omo your manifesto no me ma dwene mu no budget ne be ba no bo say majority of funding no unkofa hin ska no ni ho because even for first quarter krana it's a picture first quarter no the area 2 a picture for you to see say ye boka 27 billion na ya jisika 13 billion that's the foundation no it won't change much into big push on this animal no manifesto no there is no detail to stretch say and no man we nyina ye ko first can free and say
for instance I got the chance to talk to the political parties and this for obusa maybe I can be fiaba they mention oil revenue say now we have 2 additional wells into sikana be free mabano of course omo bo ne awokan so say reducing the number of government appointees ministers and no idea but the oil revenue no is it feasible
say no kwai enough say na nkan bibi be say oil revenue kwai enough to take care of all our budget expense needs and can be it is not as simple as that. One of the best ways to increase oil revenues in this animal is securitization.
Okay.
But and also no ya no idea na enkofa problems mreo. And also because just a this year e kan abebom say did na ye deprecon. Ti no nya ko securitize na oji sika na e bia from free bebre no wa to open.
Ti na ke kwa Japan anamboa.
Japan wo anyone be say discuss it, but that same mindset of securitizing our natural resource, it is the same. So person use oil revenues and also.
Okay.
Enti enye bibi wan waso bia obehwem na the majority of them no make. Enti who say, and this is one of the signals about. So who say treasury bills rate kosuru bebrea. E chese abano bobusia bebre locally. So who say teswa na say there's no pressure on government to borrow locally because it is when the pressure of demand is on the government say mama misko na is when I all lend it to government na and I'm also entice ema osika no utimi de man na wa kono so beto treasury bill no na is what do sika no komaga because treasury bill rate cost say a for man is another means of raising money and he is not under any pressure to give you exciting rates that will make you give your money to him. Enti largely na kana ebebo ebia ye
Dr. Sakwa de ebia opeso de kakra eka ho nea Dr. Frimpong.
I think say I make can say I me share NPP and NDC manifesto no. I think omode betu dwa na me kan say they did not pay much attention to the supply side. As a Ghana no parties akese ne mienu nyina de ebedie nko na ho na ye hwe. Na ekwankora e be fa so anya sika no de ye nhwe ho kese me nka so mo nhwe ho kra me ka say zero ye nhwe ho kese
ye hwe ho but
ye kese
masa ye nhwe ho because ye nimse abobosia in fact at certain times no ye boy ho abaso say ye timi abobosia ya ko eurobond ye timi akonya sika ya ko ha
ye tishire
Martin said World Bank approved about a certain amount of money for National Development Bank. Any agency say a boy who say abobosia. As if say the chain. Enti ye share supply side no kra because ye nim say a year pass of share Ghana de wodin ye kwa Bretton Woods institution on me sika. Na yan kan say ye sane nyina na ye kire say be chi.
Enti supply side no very important. So digitization, you find typical example road toll. Yaka adentina road toll that's what GG coins. Adentia. Share all person free Legon Ekwa Accra. 1 hour now the traffic him. where is the public transport system?
BRT.
Road toll, no say, my more example, road toll, no electronic, they say Legon, electronic, Legon, yeah, coins. Yes, a koto card, no. I think say 400 cedis or so a year. And right from the word go, beginning of the year, not your sika. Because we'll be able to card no, in advance. And road toll, no, yeah, a card. Beginning of the year, a beer. 4x4 more dear be 1,000, taxi for 500, truck for 2,000. Bones are banning business can boom
at the year
the project and your coins away. Until you may nimre and the bread I mean you're a boss or no me papa banking sector clean and near break boom near the soldier for near here. Now you are locked down a soldier for Jijin and Mountain so. I don't know road tour, young fast soldier for the police won't go Jijin now, so we need card their own chum. Temamoto we uni card e wuntwam na me fa to mamoto is me ra ho moto we a airport host. What is this? As a class kwan. Moto we a airport host. Enti yema ye nimre.
In fact, politicians no kro omo ntua.
Wait, you see? Omo those who can pay do not pay.
Omo exempt.
Trot for the job.
Enti sikana yenye e omam me say ewiase nyina adru baabi. I say omampanyin kra kan say yenye inward looking. COVID ya me yesu enyansa papa ene obi aho akere ho na ko bobo si afri no ho ho na akosere se beboa me nti Ghana yam ye nimre na yempe ya esika nipa adwumayefo mu ye adwuma dodo na ntua personal income tax companies also mutua tax so well dodge 100 no so tua na akotua 60 na sika no so kakra na yebenya no na enwunu saa obi ka kire me se makola dwom minye sure say makola nkwa emi for no assembly for no mo call mo de if you rush so me bag na kwajiska how odi if you rush so me ana kwa nimre mobile money short code ya ba ho CJ o shop nie o ton sandals what you are o na o tin nie o number nie digital ya kwa ba bi sikari nyina ko go fan ba kuma account ba kum ye wi ya de aye market no obi aho atono yesi toilet yesi we obi aho atono. That's our cashless economy no. We must get there. Yes sir, sika ne benyunu sa sika no so enyunu ni nyina na bosia ne yekobo si yemi ani bra yebenya sika no dodo na wa ha yebenya sika no dodo na wa sa sika na enyunu na obi akwaji sika na odi bia hye ne botom na de oso otua 100 na otua 40 na de enyunu nyina no yitietia sa ntokron na sika yebenya wo mamu pa dia ye development no esewani na ya TSC ya TSC can say natural resources gold ya semi ukofa ejapa de oboso na ye nkode o enti securitization enye net na Ghana ebe securitization ya ebida buida any road fund any sa no man nyina on say there's a levy otofu abi there's a levy on it nti ye the road fund no yes sa levy no securitize ekoje sika ma road fund no nti ya ebida and get fund so ayebi ana ohwe ayi so a na say China for $2 billion ya ye ne backside similar securitization e bia no so we japade bi na say me dey ma
nti ye box site no na
me dey ma japade ji aka fama me na me yin nti say ubisa MPP ni NDC say sika na maka no boom MPP say 100 billion cedis NDC say $10 billion push the back Ghana scheme 60 billion cedis moko fa no he a mo say o ne de be ka ho asemachi
obi antiminka ko ni so be
boss moko fa no he Ghana yakọ ho sika this year your budget is 67 they say ana minister say COVID nti e ko 54 yakọ ho sika nyina for the year o 54 billion nti say o can big push of 60 billion na o ko fa no way so o can 100 billion Ghana cares project o ko fa no way
to private sector
nti sa supply side no dear going forward your budget no omopa and your revise manifestos no na coming budgets no and ye beka sa we will put pressure on them to pay greater attention to the supply side because the honest can be free.
Okay, for instance, Dr. Frimpong, before 2016, Dr. Bawumia can say they are moving our economy from taxation to production. I want to see how you way.
Me yes sure say you drew. and they see a COVID that be credit because any COVID no.
Aje se mukra.
You see, and ya na say nanado kase yet sika so a no kre. No kre, but no kre so when say it takes a lot of hard work and a lot of vision to push for the revenues to be generated locally because we have resistance. Port ejuma so hu is here. Into the moment obe take that step no, even the political elite will fight you. But we can't move anywhere. Say ye pese ye anka say you raise 27 billion you Ghana for the first quarter. Give it to me. Who come market and I internally. Who go around now they will nam baby a packet crack. Central London, who run Central London charge or congestion charge. So who do carry Central London no. We create congestion. No cry on carry them out. You want Crawford some titi sa Ghana no betimi atua. Ono honorable or say the 4x4 kum. Odira Central Accra. Who run manana charge o. Enye se afi ne ye beje o paper so. Ye card that I deduct. You betumi aye. Enso ye nyane sa kwabrani kura receipt no de nam. E dey say ye cho kra na ye be local tire. Wode only can negotiate here. No politicians need omo ankasa kra politically no omo political organizations no. Omo ya cards, membership cards and go for the trade use. Omo ya cards. And Crawford to me bought USSD code the trade use. Why can't we do it for the country? We have so many ways of generating revenue for our parties. You launch a campaign to raise funds for our parties, for political campaigning. But we can't do the same, apply the same efficiency and effort to digitizing the way we raise revenues. And I'm saying loans here isn't it. Now immediately, you consequence, you loan, you boy home, you longer term rate, it's still loan. That means my generation and the generation behind us are going to pay, and it will crowd out our ability to do infrastructure jobs. And yet the idea grow. Say I manifesto about when will we get to a point where Ghana the manifestos are back? Now manifestos we have thrown it out of the window because you need an appendix say medicine say na ba me year from without loan. Yeah, in bisa bibia. Yeah, the ba ni agya to okay we so be say we so take can the obe to me na call baby. Bibia nche chiro say chere de kwan be so abe because the easiest way is to go for loan. That's the easiest way. Then to do say loan now okojiro nipa na ojo so na adwuma no that is there o ma sheda na o ma hyehyɛ say
memo ato so mami announce me phone lines no 030221170124 030221170124 obetimi abeka enkomotwetwe no ehun wo ase bisa bi ana comment bi ano obetimi e de aba 030221170124 ofra Jumo radio no ana se TV no babodin mba bia ofrefri na fe watch wadwin Dr. Toto
to dwen say World Bank ne IMF no jama wonti na omo ho eye omo boa but omo ni wo say omo be ma economy na ye ama enti say ye yankasa yam fancy ani so the same way MPP great initiative to raise revenue adopt a constituency when they were in opposition no my scratch cards scratch card now scratch obope sika ko nchen so they know what to do. NDC knows what to do. On my website they have a code that will type you can donate. No struggle. Baby I will be ultimate edisketia. You be to me yes sir. Emma gun and ni beer to yanka kra. Emma the tria and hooker without going for that. But you're not interested.
Mame fa Matthias ewo takwa. Matthias what me come makwaba.
What Machio.
Mejo so. Matthias enti.
What some percent bisa pay for the say. Dollar no, then ebe ya dollar na ebe to me cost bebre and I'm saying question am bisa.
Okay.
So going forward, the parent also bisa so another that say, you pay for no, omuntu to me bibia yene gold ne box size me nyama ne kitabo for this be nje baka. Ne ka so kita yana kasa.
What else we say 24 I have two strong doctors. Our hanti ombi one that's how called dollar no one sema Matthias besides dollar no you see then eso the pen chigina ho
demand and supply say o pesa o ma wo sigina ho de ngina enoma ye kokra free amonane bebre na no yen start say be na o man mu because say o kokra ade en fa de say bi okofa nchanse free China for money cities Jubasi sa usidi na koto dollar ana Chinese wine na de ko. Nti the more obiya sika no na sidi na ho de ne ko fom. And the other side nso yɛ exports. Say sika ye betimi enema ye no man mu. Ye koton a omo so abrochire for no mu ni cities, do betua ye dollars. Nti omo de maya na ye ya ho de na akofom. Nti imports and exports. The to so mienu retention. The retention law. Abrochire for adwuma e wo Ghana ha nyina na ye mfa mra nto omo so. Say wunya ska wunya profit wo Ghana ha. Unfa ni nyina nkom.
Ubeja bi wo Ghana.
Ubeja bi wo ha. Na obi bie me ni say asori e wo Ghana ha. Abrofo ene ayi Nigeria for asori e wo ha. Omo to collection Sunday. Monday, mo say ska ni nyina into dollars. No mo de ko. Enti ni nyina ya ade a e wo se ye hwe.
Okay. Mama me fa Isaac wa homa so. Isaac what me kan mo akwaba? Isaac, what can I free? Okay. Isaac came to you.
It's a madam was saying a Juma mobile. But in America, you are really by coming nearby. It was a telephone, you know, it's someone near and ever. But I can say that you are really here, or you have been canal. It's when the phone is coming at the 2 more and 2 fat. Kama munyano eba mboa omano na munja eze we ade boshe aba na we di boshe aba na we di boshe aba na we di boshe aba na de ro de ro omutimi mboa omano na ye nyina ye ti omano.
Okay, me da say Isaac me da say mama for Peter what me ka?
Yeah, hello, hi. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm listening to your conversation as well, the discussion between Frimpong and Sapede. And I think it was it Sapede who mentioned, I think it was Frimpong who talked about the conditions in London. So, and digitalization as well. I think it's a good concept, you know, everything just that. It's like, you know, if we, especially the road fund, you know, I mean, it would, you know, to go a long way, you know, it would, you know, generating revenue would be the best option, like Saturday today. And I think on alluded to that as well. You know, Ghana can generate over 8 billion cedis over a period of a couple of years, 2 years. Because I think I used to on that, you know, in London, then you look at various countries in Africa, such as Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, the revenue. Well, if you take the job, because the economy is being chaotic, but Ghana in Kenya, where cars can not use, you know. And if you look at the commerce sector, I mean, just this Bacala, they, you know, do the incentives like if you work from people incentives, they say, look, if you do ABCD, I'll do BPS. Right? These people, you gladly buy those, what do you call it, digital cards, you know. So, for instance, going to hospital, doing the scan, private, you know, in time, we can do our with using currency, everything will be just like you know. I mean,
cashless.
My wife can make it. I don't carry it. In UK, I don't carry cash with me. I don't carry any money with me.
Yeah.
If I take Ghana, I've been trying to do the same thing. I use my debit card, you know, and if I don't use debit card, I just go to ATM, take about it. But how often I tend to use my debit card to pay, I can tell you, you know, just collect and see how much I spend in currency, you know. Government can do this. It's quite easy to do. And if you want to annoy me, most of you ministers and politicians, a lot of things to leave them there. I can mention names, but I'm not going to mention names. A lot of them leave them there. They know what to do. A lot of them know what to do. But they just, you know, when they come to Africa, their mindset changes. It's like building a house there.
Okay. Well, your point has been well made. Thank you very much. I'm saying congestion na Dr. Boss no. I think that say you decide man go akwan so a e betimi generate revenue.
Yeah, per se you betumi aye. Ghana say per se ye pa. Oh, you betumi na dey omu na kwabrochire, omu kwabrochire.
Omu ko school abrochire, omu classmates. And ya abrochire.
President and they sat in the same classes with them.
Samuel.
Hello.
Samuel Akwaba ka say free.
Me patron ka say fi esiawa.
Okay. Sami entio.
Me patron masem di tiawa. Benifo ka say manya chise no kata no. Na o hwe man ni nya yin ba. Say kai bitime ya adwenu fine na asem pase na ye ka yen fa colors no, and I'm very very appreciative of their effort.
But you can say, Omaya a woman, yen far yen psychological implications in Nejuma on some of these things. Yajina is crying a funny my
mindset.
Or can say supply. Even here, power or Juma Yetimu. Now, so you share Bisia Bono as an easy conduit. I faso discovering beyond correct indexes of our manifestos and all of that. Moving forward, ye money paying say a junior or my man crown, a one more minor, a young kind of. Make your program, ya not mean some of these things that are even being discussed. But me sure ya funny say, oh, we have a campaign platforms, no, Kanya, Ubitimia, na Quatica. That's what I want. Now, so a junior here say, oh, put digitization about so ya, for focus it here. Not just like a day, boy, mine. And so, can you deal before any commercial, any political coloring into Kayabu? Okay, muscle. Intellectual so be bar, next I Bobby Stia, near the H-man. Into no, we just say, when you focus say, on my emphatic psychology of economic development, any addition of classroom. Now, yes, sad dream, I addicted to my now, did you say a people work for your mind so I couldn't meet us?
Medasi pa Urasamo, Medasi, well.
Mindset, I dream. And I mean, you can soft infrastructure, software, I dream. Because I did be I dream, even cameraman, you cry, I dream all day, and yes, I know the camera about 2 years, baby. Until I dream a day, I didn't know. Very important. You're paying for the donor, Sabi, or money at Moko school, or classmates, and a bridge the year. Okobobusia, our bridge, or classmates now, Okobobusian. On why the chrome ye, what he had, Elko classmate to Okobobusia. Or classmate no kwa G2, or quite no who say, or Nija Quens. A bridge crew bear soon have a quiet Quens.
At a crat amount.
At a crat amount. Or classmate no. Over Tiana or Jacquens, we are our bag. After that hotel, the course of Jibusi.
My member, colleague, Dr. Anoche Elwo, University of Cape Coast. Doc, good morning, Akwaba.
Good morning.
Doc, you.
Good morning.
Yeah, Doc, you.
Yeah, good morning, Madam Wasi. Remember, Dr. Sapodin Abaso. I say, I can't be prior. It's Mama country, ye develop a chance. Ye problem back when it's ye involve the academia. I will ye decision be a taking. Can someone fantastic. But who can one here now you be identified with a particular party. That's what the music and just say, Omukita, Junior Bit Media work country, but here, okay, Oko Frankfurt Airport. You walk. You see, underground. You say about 10 stories. Ubetini apateka. And you are congestion baby. Now, she come nearly underground. The same thing. Anna Comeha. Our market. Who's the gas is zero? Now, cars they brew underground. Nina, remember what the car I had too. And you ate me may never revenue a lot. You're penning for a cohort who sang a marina, and she ain't yes, I did. Play Kotuka Airport to was a car, it was out here, and at the end of the day, Castan in your field. And in fact, you were quite a debate my first and yes, car. But almost every person will be used here in academia. What we said, to see, and for that, say, oh, can be good now here. Yes, we were part of you, or part to you, and in one here as tomato. Your models, the use economic models are a year Juma baby, but a higher Juma. So, it's a young, you see, models are a 50-year situation. Nay, you saw Brofut, Yana, Castle, US class state, German for class state, and nay, you saw boy at the end of the day. And to master, say, oh, you know, maybe you're more fine come, and then I don't want country. Thank you.
Dr. Anoche, but Dr. Anoche issue sad truth, no?
It is. But you see, 10 years no become mindset. It is also time say academia not to become patriotic and nationalistic. The price the academia must pay is the price of courage. You bet me voice it out and show the way. Because sometimes academia also is tainted.
Yeah.
Academia also obe kasano. Obe kasa with academic background. But most of them, the picture is there. Also, we and I am an appointment with a politician. The same person are not can in a certain way. No, benya post on assistant. And people see in the one. And my politician no Jane said, "Jamal crowd be pay binti na work kasa same." Into the academia, they are neutralists. So I see a team painting a picture of Ghana 20 years from now. I see a team painting a picture of Ghana 30 years from now. And that picture must be shown in videos like we are playing for political parties today. Yet me adverts, my politicians, and my break it down development to the ordinary person. And there's no video on Ghana 20 years from now, Ghana 30 years from now. Say I have to be truthful, I have to be honest, I have to be hardworking, I have to pay my revenues so that Ghana can develop. But the Yama political campaigns, we are not ready to serve, we are not ready to develop the economy. Minister, the Yaman be BOPBR, but Yaman revenue target. There is no revenue target or loan, but you can't just say, Masa, by the end of this fiscal year, no, so ministry name to me raise this much. You
think it's high time our ministry's KPI?
Why shouldn't we? In fact, we should get to a point where we vary our constitutions. Let's say per ministers in power. We have a panel, an international panel, or an MP, whatever, that is fine. But they are vetted for the expertise. And they are given target, they sign the targets, and they deliver, and they are reviewed by an independent board.
Okay. Dr. Kwati, obey me last caller. Doc, Akwaba.
Yeah. Madam Wasepa, many mo program no. Na adi umupa ehiyane say politicians they baron ko bobo tiani adi na wodi people for country no anya body. But who is to monitor them? I'm say sensitivity monitoring and evaluation ministry. Being no adi bia o maye Ghana han will be a juma or for say juma ya find excuse me to say name the meaning of the government it will fit what yeah ababy juma or yeah the keke. Now production why it doesn't match with the money that we go for. What we keep boosting out the Bible development fine. And if I woman on here, do we monitor them? Public institutions in Ghana will be a open. Will be this guy not with this guy. All it's about or have a book and the receipt. Everything over say, Maku yetimi essence womu. If you are producing and it is below, you will be a friend say a cost and benefit. That's a woman that again I will produce no and mamas will be a madia. And now what you will tell you. There's nothing wrong with the loan. But the production in your loan. Yes, checking and the monetary evaluation is the main thing I say Ghana here. And this I know you better now over 100 years. Yes, to me, what can be a cost? There are so many countries on my developed country. Or would develop with Itempa. Many of the Case, Yampa, automatic Imbrana card is 70 a day.
Yeah.
Who increase on a private. What am I saying? Are they having a good mind to work? You have to be so much good. No one needs taxi driver will cover the piano and I one. No one needs to carry the bottom and go up my home. It's what is now to make a super to see, hey, I buy no one here. You might agree. Yes, you might. Now, we get my another machine, but of course, South Africa, when they are digging an one, when we used to be a weekend. But one also know, on my place, a fundamental on one, oh, yeah, agreement of big together for the bottom. The money goes to a wrong pocket. Everything I might is because I had the loan, I had the year with no password. And it's a monetary evaluation, our matters that no more dear.
Okay. Dr. Kwati Medasipa. Dr. Kwati Medasipa. I'm saying, you'll be saying to me for free for behavior. If I'm not sharing on Facebook, you know, lots of Facebook comments. But bringing to me and can kind of, Doc, yes, sorry, so 30 seconds. We'll find out comments.
And one says, Sky, pen or memo. Say, I'm here near Pesica or Mamudia. The only option left, Busiambo. Busiambo, dear, untimi mwan kwesi baby. I can't be mrew. ama obia hwe wa ukopɛ baby kra onfiu nti mesre se Ghana yem ye nimre ne yem pesika dodo na free yem mu na sika wa ha yem ye nimre se de hia ye ni bre de se ye ni se bre ye bibi no ebo ball Black Stars ebo ball shema Ghana no ayi amanyofo no mo ni mre ne yem pesika no o man mu.
Okay, ana bon
meka se meto aso de mini aka na maka se yenso so ma ye ni nje ne o man keto ho oman the fact say ya release ya free SHS no nko an say it is an out of heaven task ayetimi aye esha ya dey say nke that the fact say ya circle interchange ne nche say ya dey mo ensem etwam
nti yenye say Oliver Twist no
ye twam ba bia Ghana also
ask for more
aban bia anye hwe even this government na ye kaso ya dey onye hu ba bia we must stretch ourselves and get to where we have to get to, and it is possible we can do it. Me say your parties need works organizing in the midst of COVID, revenues mobilizing in the midst of COVID, campaigns anajo no now, anajo no nam esumuni and they are risking their lives. Can't we risk the same effort for the party, for the country, so that we raise revenue? We can.
Mamenda Mpenifoi Ase, Dr. Richmond Kwame Frimpong, Executive Director, Financial Literacy Africa. Doc, Medase Pass, also Dr. Edu Owusu Kodie, or economist, or Chadia University of Ghana, Legon. Yeah, sorry, so now, Shannon Suma Minami Aduma, Nkwada, the ballot box, the ba Akwetia constituency, Tiadum TV, the ballot box, the Babisi Akwetia constituency, and the Akwetia constituency for Mushayanim, the Jumediano, the Abraham Yami Aduma, Ukwada. Enemy me the chief Jerry Forsen yam fancy na fe menda me production team ora AC ohene na edano wo be kampedu Joshua Tigo na kwame me camera light sound obi a me do bibia ase na fe me sorry no am remfi the price for greatness is responsibility na what we your order sene